Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to apply sprayed effects on your TikTok video. Please subscribe if you didn't, and let's get started. First, open your TikTok app, then click the plus button at the bottom, then record a video, then on your right, click where it's written effects, then click on sprayed. So choose any effects that you sprayed effects that you like. Just hold down to apply it. So this is how to add sprayed effects on your TikTok video. So after that, you have to save, and this is it. This is how to add sprayed effects on a TikTok video. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you are new, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.